So Pria, we're here in beautiful Yatala in lovely Queensland. We're next to this stunning pool. Look how clear that water is. I've got a young couple, Julian and Angela. I'm wondering what you have underwater here to make this pool look so good.
We chose to go with the Naked Pool System because of the benefits that it has for my family. I have 2 kids and they're both young and they're growing, which means their bodies are changing, their skins are changing. And when I read about the Naked system, it had so many different aspects. They can swim for as long as they like. They're not going to get any eye irritation. It's good for the skin. They can have their friends over and I don't have to worry about anything happening to their friends as well. And that was one of the main reasons.
That sounds fantastic because I'm a father of 4 and a husband of 1. One of our kids does have skin irritations.
Yes.
So even for me, it's good to find out that this would be a good system for his skin. You know, he's got asthma too, he uses a preventer. I've got a preventer, it's my wife, she prevents me from doing a lot of things. It makes you want to just get in, it's very, very inviting.
It is, and you don't have to import as many chemicals as you would in another pool with this Naked system as well.
Okay.
So rest assured, it is overall very good for the whole family.
I'm interested in seeing how much salt you actually have to use in a pool of this size.
It's actually 90% less salt than a regular pool.
90% less salt. I'd love to be using that in my diet. So it ticks all the boxes. Less chemicals, less salt, more water, more swimming, less irritation.
And that's what the kids want, more swimming.
I think this is a wonderful looking pool. If it's what you say it is because of Naked systems, I think I'm sold. We're putting it in, man. Can't wait. I'll give him a call now.